Welcome to Nourish Your DNA, the channel dedicated to helping you understand and improve your health from a molecular level. Here, we dive deep into the fascinating world of DNA and the essential molecules that contribute to our overall health. We believe that health is more than just eating right and exercising. It's about understanding how our bodies work on a microscopic level. On Nourish Your DNA, we'll explore how DNA plays a significant role in our well-being and how essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids contribute to maintaining and improving our health. This is a space for discovery and understanding, where we take complex scientific concepts and break them down into manageable, digestible information. Today, we're starting with a topic that's close to home, quite literally. We're talking about gut health, a crucial aspect of our well-being that's all too often overlooked. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the microscopic world within us. Join us on this journey to better health, starting with today's topic, gut health. DNA, the blueprint of life, plays a crucial role in every aspect of our health. This holds especially true for a part of our body that is often overlooked but is integral to our overall well-being, our gut. Let's delve a little deeper. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is like a master instruction manual for all our body's functions. It's a long, double helix molecule that contains our unique genetic code. And just as an architect uses a blueprint to construct a building, our bodies use DNA to build and maintain us. When we talk about gut health, DNA is instrumental. It's responsible for dictating the production of proteins, enzymes, and other molecules that maintain the lining of our gut and aid in digestion. Think of your gut as a busy city, and DNA as the city planner. It designs the layout, ensures the infrastructure is in place, and keeps the city functioning smoothly. Now, what happens when the city planner doesn't have the right resources? The city's infrastructure can start to crumble, leading to a host of problems. Similarly, when our DNA doesn't have the essential molecules it needs, our gut health can suffer. This can manifest in various ways, from indigestion and bloating to more serious issues like a leaky gut and poor nutrient absorption. But it's not all doom and gloom. Just as a city planner can repair a city with the right resources, we can nourish our DNA with what it needs to keep our gut healthy. This includes certain essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, which we'll delve into more in the next scene. In essence, DNA is like the conductor of an orchestra, beautifully coordinating the complex symphony of our gut health. And just like a conductor needs the right instruments to create harmonious music, our DNA needs the right molecules to maintain a healthy gut. Therefore, nourishing our DNA means nourishing our gut. So let's tune our instruments and get ready to play a symphony of health and vitality. But what does our DNA need to function optimally? The answer lies in essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. Let's delve into the world of these tiny yet mighty molecules. Firstly, nucleotides. These are the building blocks of DNA and RNA, the genetic material that makes you, you. Nucleotides play a critical role in cellular energy and metabolism. They also aid in the repair of DNA, ensuring the integrity of our genetic blueprint. And where does gut health fit in? Well, a healthy gut microbiota aids in the production and absorption of these vital nucleotides. Then we have oligopeptides. These are small chains of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. They play a key role in protein synthesis. You see, our gut lining is made up of cells that require constant renewal, and this is where protein synthesis comes into play. Oligopeptides ensure the smooth functioning of this process, thereby maintaining a healthy gut lining. Speaking of amino acids, they are the stars of our show. Amino acids are involved in many bodily functions, including building muscles, supporting the immune system, and regulating our mood. But how do they contribute to gut health? Many amino acids act as fuel for the cells in the intestinal lining. They promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, and some even have anti-inflammatory properties. So in essence, these molecules, nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, are the cornerstones of a healthy gut. They ensure your DNA is intact and functioning optimally. They contribute to the maintenance of the gut lining and foster a balanced gut microbiota. And why is this important? A healthy gut is not just about avoiding stomach problems, it's about overall health. It's about a strong immune system. It's about a healthy brain. It's about feeling good, inside and out. So remember, taking care of your gut is not just about what you eat, but also about nourishing your DNA with these essential molecules. They are the building blocks of a healthy gut and a healthy life. However, our modern diets and lifestyles often leave us lacking in these essential molecules. The fast food culture, excessive sugar intake, and processed foods that dominate our plates work against our gut health. These foods, while convenient and often tasty, are not rich in nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, the very molecules that our DNA needs to function optimally. This deficiency doesn't just affect our gut, it impacts our overall health, our mood, and even our mental clarity. Imagine a car trying to run without enough fuel. It stutters, it stalls, it can't perform as it should. That's exactly what happens to our bodies when these essential molecules are in short supply. Common issues like bloating, fatigue, and mood swings can all be traced back to this molecular imbalance in our gut. It's a problem that's as widespread as it is overlooked. But there's a way to help our bodies get the essential molecules they need. Enter imuregen, a product specifically designed to support DNA health and gut health. It's time to introduce you to this innovative product that stands at the intersection of science and well-being. Imuregen is a phenomenal blend of essential molecules that your body needs for maintaining a healthy gut and DNA. It has a unique formulation that includes nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, the building blocks of life. These ingredients are meticulously selected for their proven roles in supporting DNA health and stability. Nucleotides are the basic units of DNA and RNA. They play crucial roles in a variety of biological processes, including cell division, immune response, and even the metabolism of lipids and sugars. Oligopeptides, on the other hand, are small proteins that aid in the absorption of nutrients and have anti-inflammatory properties. They help in repairing the gut lining and boost the immune system. And let's not forget about amino acids, the essential elements that construct proteins in our body. They are involved in almost every cellular process, including the regulation of our gut health. But what makes imuregen truly unique is not just its ingredients, but how they work together to support your gut and DNA health. This product is specifically designed to provide your body with the essential molecules it needs to balance the microbiome data in your digestive system. With the right balance, your gut can function optimally, leading to better overall health. Imuregen is not just a product, it's a commitment to wellness. It's a commitment to supporting your body's natural processes and providing it with the nourishment it needs. It's about understanding the science of life at a molecular level and harnessing it for your well-being. So if you're looking to improve your gut health and DNA stability, imuregen is definitely worth considering. It's not just another supplement, it's a step towards better gut health. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. By choosing imuregen, you're choosing to invest in your health and well-being, and that's a choice you'll never regret. Why is imuregen a game changer in gut health? Let's unravel this together. Imuregen isn't just another supplement on the market. It's a robust blend of nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These essential molecules aren't just fancy scientific terms. They're the building blocks of your DNA, the blueprint of life. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Your DNA is the city's blueprint, instructing where and how everything should be built. The essential molecules are the construction workers, diligently following the blueprint. When your DNA is healthy and stable, the city thrives. It's a well-oiled machine humming with vitality. That's what imuregen does for your gut. But what sets imuregen apart from other supplements? Most supplements focus on one aspect of gut health, like probiotics or fiber. While these are important, they're just one part of the picture. Imuregen, on the other hand, supports the very foundation of your gut health, your DNA. It's like nourishing the roots to enjoy the fruits, and the benefits of imuregen aren't limited to your gut. A healthy gut leads to a healthy brain, a connection scientists call the gut-brain axis. This means that taking care of your gut can improve your mood, mental clarity, and overall cognitive function. It can also boost your immune system, as a whopping 70% of your immune cells reside in your gut. Talk about a ripple effect. Lastly, imuregen is a potential game changer because it balances your gut's microbiome data. It's like a skilled conductor orchestrating a symphony of trillions of microbes in your gut. When these microbes are in harmony, your gut health flourishes. And when your gut is happy, you're more likely to be happy too. So why wait? Take the first step towards better gut health with imuregen. Check out the description below for more information.